We have the Matane light with the 2000 Kelvin night, 36,000 hours lifespan, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 Kelvin, 36 watt, 3,600 lumens. We're going to show you how simple this is and show you what you get, everything in the box on how to install and what it's about. Matane, we're going to be unboxing the product, demonstrating how to hang up and what it looks like. Unpackaging, protected with foam, your light, and plastic. On the back of the unit is going to be your instruction manual laid out. Very simple to follow steps. Your flush mount bracket that needs to come off by grabbing and twisting. With supplied wire nuts, bolts, screws, wiring, and leash. With the junction box and your wiring, just simply slide through. And you're going to match up your holes either through the 4-inch or circular mounts. Align and screw. Over here, there is a plastic clip. You simply take the loop, lock it on, hang down. Matane makes it easy for you to hang, grab your load of neutrals, and wire up correctly. You spin close, counterclockwise by feeling for the locking mechanism, and done. With the AC turned on, you're ready to use your light with the wall switch. Check online for optional dimmer switches to be used and remote controls. We're going to remotely turn the light on. We are on the night light, which is 2000 Kelvin, and then we're going to turn the light off and turn the light back on, and we are on one of the 4 settings, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 Kelvin. We have the option to control the light and dim down depending on the dimmer switch that may or may not work. As we decrease the light some, as you can see, the next time we turn the light off and on, we will be on the night light at a lower level of the dimmer switch. In order to change manually your Kelvin, you're going to go clockwise, unscrew. You're going to look for the switch located over here, and you're going to switch between the Kelvins of your desire. You have the options of 3,000 Kelvin, 4,000 Kelvin, and 5,000 Kelvin. And once chosen, put the light back on and twist counterclockwise. And then we could come over to the wall switch, off and on to the night light. This is a low-level light, great for bathroom areas, hallways, bedrooms, you name it. It's great for a low-level ceiling. And when you're ready for more light, you simply shut off and turn on to the Kelvin you've chosen. I hope this is a light that you are looking for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.